जो हमारे गठबंधन पार्टी के नेता लोग 2 घंटे तक बैठकर आज के पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन पे और आज की जो परिस्थिति है उस पर बहुत से सजेशन आए, चर्चा हो गई और ये निष्कर्ष आखिरी में ये निकला कि हम सब मिलके एक ही वॉइस में ये कहना चाहिए जो मैं आपको पढ़ के बताऊंगा। The constituents of India bloc thank the people of India for the overwhelming support received by our alliance. The people's mandate has given befitting reply to the BJP and their politics of hate, corruption and deprivation. This is a mandate in defense of the Constitution of India and against price rise, unemployment and crony capitalism, and also to save democracy. The India bloc will continue to fight against the fascist rule of the BJP led by Modi. We will take appropriate steps at the appropriate time to realize the people's desire not to be ruled by the BJP's government, and this is our decision, and we together definitely whatever promises we have given to the people, that we will keep it up. And just I want to tell this. Thank you very much.